In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get order ID WooCommerce. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your WordPress admin dashboard in your browser. This is the backend area of your website where you manage posts, pages, and plugins. Once you're in the dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your main navigation options live. Look down that left panel until you find the WooCommerce menu item. It usually has the WooCommerce logo and is located near other e-commerce related options. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce and a sub-menu will appear. From that sub-menu, click on Orders. Go ahead and select it. When the Orders page opens, you'll see a list of all the orders that have been placed on your store. This table typically includes columns like order number, date, status, total amount, and customer name. Focus on the very first column on the left. The number you see in that first column, just to the left of the customer's name, is the order ID. This is the unique identifier that WooCommerce assigns to each order, and it's what you'll use when you need to track, reference, or support that order. Sometimes, though, you might want more detailed information while confirming that you have the right order ID. In that case, instead of just looking at the list, click directly on the order you're interested in. This will take you to that order's information page. At the top of this order detail page, you'll see a prominent card or header section. It will clearly show something like order, followed by the actual order number, then the word details. That number shown there is the same order ID you saw in the list. And this view is helpful because it confirms you're looking at the correct order while also giving you access to all its details, like billing, shipping, and line items. There's another quick way to confirm the order ID using your browser's address bar. With the order detail page still open, look at the URL at the top of your browser window. At the end of that URL, you'll see a parameter that includes ID followed by a number. The number that appears after ID is also the order ID. This can be especially helpful if you're copying the ID to share with a developer, a support agent, or for use in integrations and automations. And that's all you need to reliably find a WooCommerce order ID, either from the main order list or from within a specific order's detail page.